In seniors. If lately you've felt that your legs are getting weaker, that climbing stairs takes more effort, or that you recover more slowly after walking or exercising, you're not alone. Millions of older adults experience the same thing, and many believe it's just part of getting older. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be that way. Your body still has the ability to rebuild strength, muscle, and energy if you give it the right nutrients. And we're not talking about expensive supplements or complicated diets, but about simple, everyday foods that can make a real difference. In fact, a recent study analyzed over 3,000 foods for their ability to build and preserve muscle, and only 10 truly stood out. And here's the shocking part. Eggs, long praised as the perfect protein, didn't even make the list. For decades, we were told that eggs were essential for maintaining strength. But modern science reveals that in older adults, egg protein is absorbed far less efficiently, leaving muscles undernourished and unable to rebuild properly. Meanwhile, simple, affordable, everyday foods, the kind most people overlook, are proving to rebuild muscle faster, improve balance, and speed up recovery, even in people in their 70s and 80s. So stay with me until the end, because you'll discover 10 surprising foods that can help slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. And number 4, completely stunned researchers because it triggered new muscle fiber growth in adults over 75 years old. Something once thought to be impossible. Before you begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching. Remember to subscribe to receive more natural health tips and share your thoughts in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see the reach of our community. Number 10, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might look basic, but it's one of the most powerful muscle-repairing foods you can add to your diet. Its secret lies in its rich content of casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually for hours. For seniors, that's essential. Muscle repair doesn't just happen during the day, it continues overnight. While eggs offer a short burst of protein, cottage cheese feeds muscles steadily, keeping them nourished as you rest. A single cup provides roughly 25 grams of protein, along with calcium and phosphorus to strengthen bones and reduce fracture risk. Take Helen, 72, who used to wake up with stiff legs each morning. After adding half a cup of cottage cheese as a bedtime snack, she noticed within weeks that her legs felt more relaxed and her stamina improved. That slow, consistent protein release gave her muscles what they'd been missing all night. According to research in the British Journal of Nutrition, older adults who consumed casein before sleeping had significantly higher overnight muscle synthesis than those who didn't, meaning their muscles were rebuilding while they slept. Cottage cheese also supplies probiotics that improve gut function and boost nutrient absorption. A hidden benefit eggs can't offer. Its affordability makes it even better. Cheaper than most meats and requiring no cooking, it's perfect for seniors who prefer simple preparation. Easy, effective, and economical. Cottage cheese proves that you don't need eggs to maintain muscle at any age. And if you think that's impressive, wait for number 9. A food that not only builds muscle, but also fights hidden inflammation that keeps older adults weak. Number 9, tofu. Tofu may seem plain, but don't underestimate it. For people over 60, this soy-based protein is a true muscle-building powerhouse. A half-cup serving contains about 10 grams of quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, something most plants can't match. What makes tofu particularly beneficial for seniors is its high isoflavone content. These natural compounds mildly mimic estrogen, which matters because lower hormone levels accelerate muscle and bone loss with age. By helping balance hormones, tofu supports both strength and stability. When Walter, 76, replaced his usual fried meats with baked tofu twice a week, he was surprised by the results. less joint stiffness, and more energy for his morning walks. The clean protein and gentle anti-inflammatory nature of soy worked in his favor without the heaviness or cholesterol of animal fats. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed soy protein regularly maintained more lean muscle than those relying solely on animal protein. Tofu is also rich in calcium and magnesium, key nutrients for preventing cramps, maintaining bone density, and supporting smooth muscle function. And since it's low in calories but filling, tofu helps control weight without sacrificing muscle. Best of all, it's inexpensive, flexible, and easy to cook. Toss it into stir-fries, bake it with herbs, or blend it into smoothies. Unlike eggs, which can raise cholesterol in some adults, tofu provides pure protein without the risk. But if tofu sounds impressive, just wait until number 8. A food that doesn't just build muscle, but helps repair damaged tissue faster than most supplements. To number 8, chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are one of the most affordable and underrated muscle-supporting foods available. A single cup provides around 15 grams of plant-based protein along with complex carbohydrates that deliver lasting energy instead of sugar crashes. For seniors, that's the perfect balance. It means you're not only rebuilding muscle, you're fueling your heart, brain, and legs with steady power. Evelyn, 70, used to eat white bread sandwiches for lunch until she switched to chickpea salads 3 times a week. After just a month, she noticed her afternoon fatigue disappearing. Her legs felt stronger during walks, and her hands stayed steady when lifting groceries. That combination of protein and fiber gave her energy that actually lasted. Science supports this too. A study in nutrients found that diets rich in legumes like chickpeas greatly improved muscle endurance and physical capacity in older adults. The reason? Chickpeas provide protein along with magnesium, zinc, and folate, nutrients essential for muscle contraction, tissue repair, and bone strength. Eggs offer protein, but chickpeas offer complete body support for aging muscles. The bonus? They're cheap, versatile, and easy to digest. You can enjoy them roasted as a snack, mashed into hummus, or added to soups and stews. Unlike meat, they're cholesterol-free and gentle on sensitive stomachs. For just a few cents per serving, you're giving your body exactly what it needs: steady fuel, effective repair, and lasting strength. Number 7. Sardines, canned. They may come in a small tin, but when it comes to rebuilding muscle, sardines are a powerhouse. One simple serving provides over 20 grams of premium quality protein plus omega-3 fats that calm inflammation and accelerate recovery. For adults over 60, that's crucial because chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons muscles take longer to heal. Sardines are also rich in vitamin D and calcium, 2 nutrients that keep bones sturdy so your muscles have a solid base to attach to. Frank, 78, wasn't convinced when his doctor suggested adding sardines twice a week. Yet within a few weeks, he noticed less leg soreness after gardening and more energy for his evening strolls. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate omega-3 rich fish like sardines maintained significantly more muscle and strength than those who didn't. Omega-3s enhance protein synthesis, the process that literally builds new muscle fibers. They're also loaded with vitamin B12, which supports nerve health so your muscles actually get the proper signals to stay active. Best of all, sardines are inexpensive, require no cooking, and last for months on the shelf. That means even seniors with limited mobility or budgets can access top-tier muscle nutrition at almost no cost. Number 6. Millet might look like birdseed, but for older adults, it's a hidden gem for strength and stamina. This ancient grain is packed with plant protein, magnesium, and iron, all vital for muscle repair and healthy circulation. A single cooked cup provides roughly 6 grams of protein and a steady source of slow-burning carbohydrates that fuel muscles without the sugar spikes that drain energy. Unlike processed grains that raise blood sugar and trigger inflammation, millet digests gradually, providing consistent vitality throughout the day. Harold, 81, traded his morning white toast for a bowl of warm millet porridge with nuts. In just a few weeks, he found his legs steadier when standing and could climb stairs more confidently. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology revealed that diets based on millet improved recovery and reduced tiredness by balancing glucose and enhancing nutrient uptake. Millet is also naturally gluten-free, making it perfect for anyone with sensitive digestion. It's affordable, simple to cook, and versatile, ideal for porridge, breads, or hearty soups. Number 5. Mussels, shellfish. Mussels aren't just a restaurant delicacy, they're one of the most affordable and powerful foods for rebuilding muscle. Each serving delivers more than 18 grams of high-quality protein, along with omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin B12. This unique nutrient combination helps repair muscle fibers, reduce inflammation, and keep nerve communication strong, ensuring your muscles contract efficiently. What really makes mussels stand out, though, is their taurine content, an amino acid proven to help preserve lean tissue and muscle mass as we age. A landmark Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that shellfish like mussels not only increased lean body mass, but also improved grip strength among older participants, one of the best predictors of healthy aging and independence. So next time you're at the store, skip the expensive supplements and grab a bag of mussels. With a little garlic and lemon, they're both delicious and transformative for your muscle health. Number 4. Nori, seaweed. Nori, those thin green sheets used to wrap sushi, may look fragile, but it's a nutritional powerhouse for maintaining muscle performance. It's rich in plant-based protein, iodine, magnesium, and vitamin C, all essential for energy metabolism and muscle recovery. Research published in Marine Drugs discovered that bioactive peptides found in seaweed like nori can enhance muscle function, improve circulation, and combat inflammation in older adults. These peptides act almost like natural repair agents, helping your muscles recover faster after physical activity. A simple way to use nori? Crumble it over soups, salads, or brown rice. A few sheets a week can contribute to better muscle tone, improved energy, and a noticeable difference in stamina. Number 3. Spirulina. Spirulina doesn't grow in soil. It's a type of blue-green algae that thrives in mineral-rich waters. Don't underestimate its tiny form. Just 2 tablespoons contain around 8 grams of complete protein, as well as iron, B vitamins, and powerful antioxidants such as phycocyanin, which gives it that vibrant blue-green color. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that older adults supplementing with spirulina experienced increased muscle endurance, reduced fatigue, and better recovery times after light exercise. That's because spirulina improves how efficiently your body uses oxygen, a critical factor in preventing muscle exhaustion as we age. You can mix spirulina powder into smoothies, yogurt, or even soups. It's a small daily habit that can make a big difference in energy and muscle preservation. Number 2. Tiger nuts, earth almonds. Despite their name, tiger nuts aren't nuts at all. They're small, chewy tubers that have been eaten since ancient Egypt. These little roots are packed with resistant starch, magnesium, potassium, and arginine, a powerful amino acid that increases nitric oxide production, which means better blood flow and more oxygen delivery to your muscles. That improved circulation not only enhances your energy and stamina, but also supports faster muscle recovery and less stiffness after activity. They also contain prebiotic fiber, feeding the healthy gut bacteria that influence nutrient absorption, meaning your muscles get more of the good stuff from the food you eat. You can snack on roasted tiger nuts, blend them into a smoothie, or soak them overnight to make horchata de chufa, a traditional and refreshing drink that doubles as a muscle-friendly beverage. Number 1. Teff grain. Teff may be one of the world's smallest grains, but it's also one of the most nutrient-dense. 1 cup of cooked teff offers about 10 grams of protein, plus calcium, iron, and lysine, an amino acid that plays a key role in collagen formation and tissue repair. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition revealed that teff provides complete protein while boosting hemoglobin levels, which improves oxygen transport to muscles, exactly what aging muscles need to stay strong and energized. It's a staple grain in Ethiopia, where long-distance runners often rely on teff-based foods for endurance. You can cook it like oatmeal or use teff flour in pancakes and muffins, giving you a steady energy source that supports muscle recovery all day long. And there you have it, 10 affordable, underrated foods that can rebuild and protect your muscles better than eggs. The latest research is clear. Muscle decline isn't inevitable, even in your 70s or 80s. Your body still has the power to grow, repair, and stay strong, as long as you give it the right fuel. So tell us, how old are you, and which of these foods will you try first? Comment below and share your story. You might inspire someone watching to take that first step toward a stronger, healthier life. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who wants stronger legs, and subscribe for more science-based health tips that keep you active, confident, and independent. Stay active, stay strong, because your best years aren't over, they're just beginning.